Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Steam and signing in. This is the only reliable bridge to Epic Games. Once done, pair your Switch Pro controller or Joy-Cons to your PC, Bluetooth, or a USB cable both work. Then open Steam settings, go to Controller, and enable Switch Pro configuration support so Steam can recognize Nintendo inputs. Make sure Steam is set to run in the background. Steam will act as the input translator, so Epic Games receives standard controller signals. Next, add the Epic Games launcher to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. This allows Steam input to run when Epic launches. Once added, open the game entry, select Properties, and force Steam input to enable for that shortcut. Then open Controller Configuration to choose or customize a template that translates Switch inputs to standard Xbox-style buttons. This prevents mismatches. Test mappings inside Steam's testing overlay before launching Epic to ensure triggers, sticks, and face. Finally, always launch the Epic Games launcher from Steam so Steam input stays active. Then start your game from Epic while Steam acts as the translator. You should test controls immediately in a menu or a free demo and adjust mappings if something feels off. If the controller isn't responding, try connecting via USB, restart Steam, toggle Switch Pro configuration support, and repair the controller. That sequence fixes most detection issues. If not, reconfigure the per-game Steam input override or temporarily disable other Bluetooth devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.